Yes, I believe that all of you have seen this young man from Nigeria. He went to Turkey to do surgery in his nose. The guy get flat nose before, but he wants to make it to be pointed nose. Yes, he have do it now. There are some ladies, young girls, then go do their nyash, their bum bum, make their bum bum big. Now they are on the grave. There are some ladies now, they went out, do their bum bum to big. Yes, but right now they are in the grave. Yes, some succeed, but some, it will affect them in their old age. It will affect them in their old age. It will affect them in future. It will affect them in future. Inside in fact, you have inside in fact. Listen to me. Live yourself the way God created you. God do not do mistake by making you to be a black guy or a black lady. I have seen many ladies, some many black people. They don't carry preaching cream, rubbing themselves. They want to be white. They want to be white. And on their old age, it will start affecting them, their skin. Live yourself the way God created you. God did not make a mistake by creating you like this. Live yourself. Whether people insult you, people don't insult you, leave it for God. Yes. Most of you, as soon as I don't see him now, he went and do his nose to be a pointed nose. You may look unto him, go to do your own. From do your own, you may have a problem that will make you to die young. I'm telling you the truth. There are a lot of ladies now that they went to do their bum bum. They are crying, telling others, please, don't do this mistake I made. That I have made a very big mistake. I saw a lady on social media. The lady was crying in the hospital. The lady was crying. What is the problem? She went to do her bum bum to big. And she cried in the hospital, telling the people, I have made a mistake. Please, don't make this mistake. Don't make this mistake I made. The lady was crying. This thing, live yourself the way God created you. I'm not giving him advice, you. The young man have the right to do whatever he decided to do. I will not force him. Yes, but I'm telling you, brother, sister, live yourself the way God created you. Live yourself the way God created you. Don't add, don't remove. Because you are telling God, God, I don't like how you created my nose. Let me go and do it like this. God, I don't like how you make me to be a black lady or a black guy. Let me carry a cream, change my skin. Live yourself the way God created you. Because in the last day, it will ask you a question. I make you to be a black man, a black lady. Who changed your skin? God will ask you a question for all those things that you people are doing. Because this is a Satan that is telling you people to do this thing. Satan is what telling you people to do this thing, to destroy your soul. This thing where this young man did now, it may affect him in future. Some of these celebrities that you are seeing, they are doing all those things. Satan are using them. When they will be doing all those things, putting their breast, changing their bum bum, doing all those things. And you, because they have followers, Satan will use them to advertise his product. And you see other people, they will be going. Many will die on the process. Many will not survive it. Many will survive it, but it will affect them in future. Listen to me, child of God. All this thing that you are seeing is vanity upon vanity. Vanity upon vanity. It will not make you, it will not help you. Vanity upon vanity. Whether you are a young girl and you go and do your nyash, you want to go have bum bum nyash. Yes. Whether you put nyash, men will still love you. Whether you are string, men will still love you. Whether you are black, you will see young boys that will still love you. Whether you are a white lady, you will see many people that love you. That you go do bum bum will not make man to marry you. Yes, there are some string girls where they don't have nyash, they don't have breast, but they still married. that you go do surgeon for you to attract man is a nonsense. Vanity upon vanity. There are some ladies that they don't have nyash, but they're married, born children. Why are you killing yourself? You want to destroy your life. You want to destroy your soul because of this world. Vanity upon vanity. Yes. Now, God created you, give you a flat nose. Now you want to make it to be a pointed nose. Vanity upon vanity. Yes. Whether you have a pointed nose, you have a flat nose, you must marry it. You will see a lady that will love you the way you look. Whether you are a black lady or a white lady, you will see people that will marry you. Why are you changing yourself? Why are you disturbing yourself? Why are you disturbing your skin? Why are you telling God, I don't like the way He created me? Why? Vanity upon vanity. Whether you are black and you go change your skin to become white, in next 50 years, it will put you in grave. You enter grave. Most of you that are watching me right now, 50 something, 30 something, 8 something, 7 something. In next 50 years now, most of us will not be alive. In next 100 years, that one is sure. Now our children shoot them. In next 100 years, that one is sure that me and you will not be alive. Now our children shoot them. Vanity upon vanity. Vanity upon vanity. I don't understand how people of this generation, they see this world. You people thought that this world is our home. Listen to me, let me tell you people something. All those things that you people are changing, remember that God will judge all of you. Remember that you will give account of your work on earth. Remember, you were a black lady, black guy, and you will bring cream to change your skin to become white. Remember that you will give account of your work on this earth. Yeah, I have seen what people are doing. Young lady, they will go do their bum, their breast too big. You see a young man that have small penis, he will go and do it too big. Yes. You see somebody that do not have pointed nose, it will go to do surgery to make his nose to become pointed nose. Some of them will be changing some of the things that God put in their body. God have created you in His own image. And you want to tell God, I don't like the way I look. You made a mistake, God. Yes, that is what this thing look like. You are telling God, God, you made a mistake. You're supposed to make me to have a pointed nose. So by the way, I'm going to make my nose to become pointed nose. Now wait till they tell God, God, you make me to become a black lady or a black guy. No, I don't like this skin, God. I want to go and change it to become white. Yes, that is what you are telling God. Some of the ladies that God created them, they are slim ladies. They don't have bum. Now they will go and tell God, God, I don't like the way you make me. Let me go and put bum. Or let me go and put breasts. All those things. You are telling God that, God, you made a mistake. That is what this thing look like. God, you made a mistake by creating me like this. No, this is not where I'm supposed to be. You made a mistake. So leave me. Let me go and do surgery. Let me go and create myself the way I like. But know that on the process, this thing have a side effect. Many people have gone. They want to do surgery. They have gone. Yes, they have gone. Live yourself the way God created you. God, I don't like the way I look like. I don't like my nose. No, you're not supposed to create my nose to be like this. Let me go and put it like this. That is what you are telling God. Yes, that is what you are telling God. God, I don't like the black. I'm a black guy. I'm a black lady. I don't like it. I don't like it. God, why do you created me to become a black guy? You go and bring cream, rubbing yourself to become white. Yes. God, I don't have a breast. I want my breast to be big. You start go and taking drugs and do other things you are doing to make it to big. But know that all those things have a side effect. It will affect you in your old age. If you will live long life, it will affect you in your old age. And some of them that did it have gone. Some of them that did this, even this bomb, some of them are in grave now. Some people where God do bomb are in grave because of they do bomb. They're supposed to live, they're supposed to die alive today. Yes, but they have gone because they want to change their body. They want to change their body. They are telling God, God, you have made a mistake by creating me like this. So they went to the doctor. They're going to change their body with the chemical and all those things. Those things we are fed. And know that after everything, that God will judge you for all these things we are doing.